that this is serious business. This is going to be business like no other. Along with my colleagues here, we are determined to move as one team. We are determined. And therefore, on behalf of Wiper Democratic Movement, I confirm our commitment to One Kenya Alliance.
We may not be here with Gideon Moi today because this was more of a specific issue of the parties that were associated with NASA formalizing the exit. So let that also be known so that any speculation that would have arisen can also be put to rest.
You hear people talking about economics, and every time you listen to them, you get to the realization that they know nothing about economics. Some are even mistaking distribution of money as an economic model. Others are mistaking a policy called Buy Kenya, Build Kenya as a model. You know, it is very laughable.
Barua ya Ford Kenya iko hapa na barua ya Wiper iko hapa. It is now official that NASA does not exist. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you. We'll have the proclamation.